Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial a very quick way to default your email to full screen via Gmail using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Gmail. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, go to the top right corner, go to the Gmail shortcut, click on this, wait for that to load. And now if I were to, let's just say, compose an email, this would bring up the email window in the right hand corner, and I would then have to full screen physically on a regular basis when it would come to sending an email, but we can default this. Bottom right corner, more options, default to full screen. So now let's now click on X. Let's now recompose a brand new email, and as we can see, we no longer have to click on full screen because that has been defaulted to full screen. So for the purpose of this tutorial, let's now send an email to the admin. Subject full screen. Dear admin, I hope that this email finds you well. This email was compiled in full screen. Kind regards. We can now insert that signature, a new signature. Let's now send the email. View message. Full screen. Dear admin, I hope that this email finds you well. This email was compiled in full screen. Kind regards. Computer Science Videos. We can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.